Congratulations.
Are we
yes,
hugging?
we're
Not hugging?
Oh my God, this is amazing. Look at, I mean, how beautiful does Westman Atelier look in here with your colors?
I know.
How long have you been open?
2 weeks.
2 weeks?
Yeah.
Wow, this is tremendous to have a clean beauty destination in Pound Ridge. Tell us about Strike in LA. It's a super well-known destination in LA.
I have 2 sisters, Christy Streicher, who is an eyebrow specialist. I feel like
famous,
so many,
super famous,
like everybody. And then a younger sister, Ashley Streicher, who does hair. And then I do makeup. So
how cute is that?
My mom loves it.
So you work with all of these phenomenal women: Anne Hathaway, Greta Gerwig, Mandy Moore, Elizabeth Moss, Emily Blunt. I mean, so when we walked in, they asked me what I had on my eyes. Yeah.
And I said, ironically, it's super loaded, right?
Yeah, Peau de Soleil.
Which is a beautiful, I mean, I use it on my cheeks as well, but it is a multifunctional product, which is why I love it. You can use it wherever.
See, coming from a really amazing makeup artist, that makes me feel so good and proud.
It's great. And I'm sure you know, Lit is definitely one of my favorite products. It's just so subtle and so nice, and it gives such a good sheen. And again, I've worn that on my lids, on my lips. It's just a really good multifunctional product.
So tell me, what are some of your like faves?
Wander Beauty's black owned. Like this is a great, more like full coverage powder. Like a touch-up powder, which is really awesome. This stuff earlier, I heard you're a big fan of Fortuna
Oh yeah, I love
Skin.
Fortuna Skin.
Do you use it?
I do. I love it.
I love it, and I love the way it makes my skin look.
Yeah.
Like I always try to use it before I do
something
anything big.
Yeah.
This has been a current favorite for a while. It's OSEA Anti-Aging Body Balm. You definitely should try it because it's like a touch thing. It just leaves like the nicest finish on your skin. They also make a great body oil.
So rich and nice, and I for sure am gonna have to get this.
Yeah, it's very good.
Monastery brand, I've heard great things.
The product that turned me on to Monastery is the GLYCOLIC, but it's super active.
Oh, I like that.
And I love the packaging. Same with MURI LELU, which it is plant-based CBD. It's a serum and a moisturizer combined. I discovered Nature of Things. She's a client at Strike.
So what is this one?
I was just gonna say, this is a really cool product. It is like a powder exfoliator, so you mix it.
Jen, you would suggest that I try this SOLEIL TOUJOURS?
Yeah, see?
So it's a mineral sunscreen for face.
Yeah.
What do you like about it?
That it's clean. It's like fits in my purse.
So if you're not here in our little kind of like Bedford, Pound Ridge, Katona, North Salem, you just hit the website, shop@scout.com, right?
It's a beautiful website.
Thank you so much for having us.
Thank you.
This is really a treat, and huge congratulations. It's really cool.